everybody! Today I'm going to make fluff and tasty from Maya hot cake mix. So today we're gonna make really fluffy pancakes. So the first step is to crack the egg right here in this small bowl. So here's the egg. You need a medium egg. And crack it open. Now you can beat the egg with your whisk. So now the egg is all beaten. We can now put our hot cake mix. So here's our hot cake mix, and at the back you can also see our instructions. So now we can add it right now. Now we can put our hot cake mix in our clear bowl. So you need to try to put everything. Okay. As you can see, our hot cake mix or the pancake mix is in our bowl. Let's step this aside first. So here is our oil. So we need 2 tablespoons of oil. As you can see, I already put 2 tablespoons of oil here. But make sure to not throw your 1 tablespoon in the sink. We will still need it at the end. So we also need 3/4 cups of water. You can also use a measuring cup if you want to. So now we are done with the measurements and whisking the egg. We can already put the ingredients in our big bowl. So first, let's go put our egg. And make sure to just scrape the side with your spatula. For you can get all the excess egg. Like this. Next, let's add 3/4 cups of water. Next, let's add the oil. And then after that, we mix. You mix until it's all dissolved. Remember not to overmix or undermix, or else your batter will be not tasty. So make sure it all gets dissolved. Not too sticky or not too dry. Our batter needs to be like this consistency. As you can see, our pancakes are ready, or pancake batter. So now, let's get our spatula and scrape the sides. You know why you need to scrape the sides? For your batter not to be messy. So, as you can see, we are already done scraping the sides. So you need to just check the bottom if there's any like flour or hot cake mixed down. Since our pancake mix is done, let's head on to the cooking. Here's our kitchen, so let's get cooking. So first, let's go put our pancake mix. 2 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon. And 2 tablespoons.
Go.
So guys, I'm using a non-stick pan. You don't need to add any oil for this. So as you can see, you just need to wait until it bubbles.
Wow.
So as you can see, it's almost bubbling. As you can see these bubbles. So it's ready to flip. So here is the professionalist pancake. Oh my gosh, it's so fluffy. And it even has a nice top layer. As you can see, we need to flip this again because I think it's not that cold. Well, only for a few seconds. So as you can see, we need to see if it's ready. Just poke a fork or toothpick. It is almost ready, but it still has some batter in it. Let's wait for a while. Okay, I think it's going to be ready any minute. So here is our pancake. Let's just put this a bit here for it can cook a bit. Okay, looks like our delicious pancake is ready. As you can see, it's kind of hard to get, so let's go get it with a fork. Carefully. There it goes. Our first pancake is done. Okay, now let's do our second pancake. So, this one can be 3 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons, as many as you like. No, not yet.
Oop, it's kind of thin.
So as you can see, later I'm going to go make a Mickey Mouse one. I actually don't really know how to do it, only my sister knows. And please subscribe to Simply Steffi or Snoopy Steffi because she's going to change it. And you also need to do this for the middle part will be cooked and not be burned. See, it's a bit bubbling, so not yet. We just need to wait for a while. So as you can see, I think our pancake is ready. Let's flip it. And then after that, pat it a bit. Like that. Pretty nice. As you can see, it's growing a bit. You know. So here is our second pancake. So we'll just press it for a while. That. And flip. Ooh, look at that. Be careful not to drop it. And now let's start making the Mickey Mouse pancake. So this will need 3 scoops. Mark in the side here. Perfect. And then here. Sorry guys. As you can see, I'm not even an expert in making Mickey Mouse pancakes.
The ear's even bigger than the body. What's that?
Sorry guys for the Mickey Mouse pancake. It's a bit funny though.
It's a heart.
As you can see, maybe I can actually make it a heart. Just a bit in the side. There. A bit in this side too. Sorry guys if it's not that perfect. So as you can see, comment down below how it looks like. Okay, it's almost ready to flip, guys. Okay?
Is it
It's not yet ready. Okay. Okay, it's ready to flip. Ooh. So here's the pancake, guys. It's a bit funny though. But those 2 pancakes are pretty good. Oh, but this one is so big and shiny. As you can see guys, now later after this, I'm going to make a triple pancake in this pan. As you can see, let me poke it if it's ready. Ooh, it is ready. Let's now flip it. Let me see. Ooh, it's like a sunset ring actually. As you can see, my little fork can help me flip the pancake there. Ooh, pretty good. Okay, now I'm going to do triple pancakes. Right, or 2 pancakes in one pan, I'm not sure. Okay, one, other one. And then another pancake here. Ouch. Ooh. One more. Hope it fits.
I don't think it'll fit.
Pause the video. See guys, it's bubbling. So this one looks like an oval for me, but this one looks like a circle. I think I couldn't fit. You can see this one's almost ready, but this one's pretty ready.
What?
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go flip this one. Ooh, I think it's ready. Ooh, look at that little pancake.
No.
Okay, now it's time to flip the other pancake. And guys, make sure to always be with a parent.
You're not even with a parent.
I know I'm not with a parent, but I'm an expert in making pancakes.
Are you sure about that?
I'm pretty sure. Okay, as you can see, you can also use a toothpick, chopstick, knife, or anything to just poke your pancake. Ooh, it's ready. How about this? Yeah, also ready. Okay.
Ooh. Also remember to hold your pan.
And also remember to hold your pan. Okay, so now I'm gonna make really tiny pancakes now.
Hurry up.
So I will only do 1 tablespoon. That's good. And then hopefully I can fit 3 in here. Another one. going to do 2 for now. As you can see, guys, I'm not sure if it's ready, but I think it's one. Ooh, look at that tiny, tiny pancake. Ooh, and this is the best pancake ever. It's so perfect. Okay, the other ones too.
Go.
And comment down below what pancake is the best. Ooh, these pancakes look so good. Yeah. Hey guys. Let's see down here because I think the pancake should be ready any minute. Ooh, looks like both of them is ready.
Oh, it's good. I'm having a hard time.
Yeah, I'm kind of having a hard time getting it, so I can get it with this double pancakes. Oop. Okay, boss. As you can see, guys, this is my pancake. So, in my next video, I'm going to do a cooking pancake again with the rest of my pancake mix, but Shopkin version. And I'm also going to do another pancake version, but it's going to be Shopkin version at the making and Shopkin version at the cooking. So now let's put the Shopkin maple syrup on. As you can see, I don't really like maple syrup. Boo-boo. And guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you like my videos, please like it. And ring on the bell to see more notifications. As you can see, I can't really pronounce it.